Okay, I'm just using my phone so I can get everything on one freaking video. Alright, be careful when doing the corners, because, alright, if I pushed this down, it would kind of break the, oh, nice focus, it would break the contact. But other than that, just keep note of where you start. You want a good count of all of your beads, every bead, and then how many are either on the side or along the bottom. Try and make them even, so you want the same number on the top or bottom. Where's the freaking program? That's the program you want here. When you install it, skip the bottom one. That's about the bottom option. It was about like for things that are not full screen. Okay, I did that so it'll start. I don't want it showing in the background. Like on the taskbar, I don't want a freaking icon there. Throwing on a backlight is optional. That's basically if you want something just on, even if it's not reading. But I put it on screen capture mode, Windows 8, even though I'm at Windows, whatever the fuck, 10, 11. Alright, your first one is, if it doesn't show that you're connected here, you're going to need, click on more settings. It's your COM port 5. If you go into device manager or whatever, find out what's turning on. I'm not going to load it because I can't type one-handed and hold my freaking phone. The one that starts connecting on your devices when you connect and disconnect, find out what COM port it's on, set your COM port to that. I got it set to Adalight for this one. Number of zones, that's your total number of beads, so that the count of all of them, set it to that. Alright, and now you've got your other one is show areas of capture. Now, ooh, see, mine's already slipped. You can totally, around the edge, if you look real close, you can see it's got numbers. You could technically set all of those to wherever the heck. But instead, what you're going to want to do, the easy mode, your single set at least, wizard capture zones. And now it's set all of them around. And now this is going to be your total number. Now I have my vertical ones is crap. Now I forgot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So I'll set that, and as you notice, it automatically adjusts the verticals. Now if you want, I tend to crank this up just a little bit. That's just increasing the zone that it's reading. That ought to do. I've got it 4 sides because I didn't skip the bottom. Monitor, 3D, no corners, as if you, instead of 1 strip, if you had 4 strips and connected them and didn't apply to a corner. What else? That should be close enough. Anything else would be to manually adjust. But really, if you have even numbers, that should be close enough. Like my video was just on that. Like I didn't adjust it any closer. So let's kick off the light, and you can see it should be pretty accurate. There's other test things you could run, but it should be pretty accurate. Stop. Kick this light on. What else was there to mess with? You can swap the zones to different settings. I kicked my maximum FPS to 45, though it's never really going to get over 25, and I think 25 was the default. Like it's only capturing so fast to begin with. I just didn't want it to limit. You can save the settings, and really that should be that should be plenty. If anything else, if that's not doing it, just let me know, because that's more of a troubleshooting. It should say connected at the bottom there if you got it the right device.